Do you know many people are having trouble with adding scanner contacts on their Kyocera printer? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Open Settings. Press the System menu/counter key on your printer to open the main settings. Step 2. Access Address Book. Navigate to Edit Destination and select Address Book, then choose Add/Edit. Step 3. Select Add. Choose Add to create a new contact entry. Step 4. Enter Details. Enter the contact's details such as name and address number. Press OK once you're done. Step 5. Save Contact. Save the new contact information by selecting Save. The contact is now ready for scanning. Now, you should be able to easily add new contacts to your Kyocera scanner. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Kyocera users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.